Yeah, my name is Funsho. I am an operations manager for a tech startup, and I'm also a part-time property investor and sourcer as well.
Excellent. And tell me, you're on the academy, right?
On the academy, yeah.
Tell me about that.
Yeah, it's maybe my first month. It's been a great couple of weeks. So much learnings. I was able to sell my first deal on Deal Connect a couple of weeks ago. But honestly, the value and the mentorship, the network in the community is second to none.
Amazing. And what was it that made you go for this type of training rather than elsewhere?
Yeah, I actually did a lot of research in what training company to join. I think the two main things was limited mentorship. Meaning you can call mentors whenever you want, Monday to Sunday, like 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then secondly was definitely Deal Connect. Again, I source a lot of good deals, was struggling to find investors. So having that kind of plan B on Deal Connect is really invaluable to make sure that all the deals that you find get to investors ASAP.
Amazing. And what about the kind of the energy in the room? What about Samuel? Like what mentors? Like let's talk about the mentors.
Yeah, energy is high. They kind of just raise your perspective from thinking you're doing quite a lot to actually know there's levels to go to in this business. So yeah, it's always special to hear success stories, people doing very well, and it just motivates me to do more and more and more going forward.
Amazing. And so in terms of your business, what are you doing?
Yes, as mentioned, I'm a property investor, so I have a few buy-to-lets, one in London, one in Bradford as well, looking to purchase more properties. And then secondly, I'm also a sourcer, so mainly source in West Yorkshire at the moment.
Amazing. Lovely. And to anyone who's thinking about making the leap into property, what would you tell them?
Yeah, I say just do it, man. Just do it. I feel like right now there's obviously stocks and shares, crypto. But we want a stable asset in the UK. Property prices always increase. Good rents, pick property. We won't be a mistake.